Few cars in history have endured a journey as tumultuous as the Ferrari 375 Plus, once owned by Carl Cleve. Designed by Pininfarina in 1954 for the World Sports Car Championship, only 5 of these iconic race cars were ever built. Yet, one of them, a charred chassis purchased by Cleve in 1958, spent nearly 30 years deteriorating in an open lot in Cincinnati before vanishing in the late 1980s. What followed was a saga of theft, deception, lawsuits, and an eventual record-breaking auction. When Cleve discovered his stolen Ferrari on display at Ferrari's Maranello Museum in Italy, he launched a legal battle to reclaim his prized possession. In 1999, a disputed settlement was reached in which Swatters reportedly paid Cleve $625,000 for the car. However, Cleve claimed his agent had made the deal without his approval, sparking further litigation. Following Cleve's death in 2003, his daughters, Katrina English and Carol Cleve, continued to fight for the car. Meanwhile, a series of dubious legal maneuvers took place, with individuals such as Joseph Ford and Christopher Gardner inserting themselves into the case. Ford, later accused of fraud, managed to extract a significant sum from the Ferrari's eventual sale. A crucial ruling came in 2013 when an English court determined that Florence Swaiters, daughter of Jacques Swaiters, held the title to the car before it went to auction. The decision paved the way for the Ferrari to be sold at the 2014 Goodwood Festival of Speed, where it fetched a staggering £10.7 million, approximately $16.3 million. The final ownership went to Les Wexner, the billionaire owner of Victoria's Secret. Despite the sale, legal battles persisted. English and Cleve claimed that if they had been properly represented, they would have received over $8 million from the sale. Instead, Cleve's estate received a fraction of that amount, while Ford walked away with more than $2.4 million. Today, the Ferrari 375 Plus sits in Wexner's collection in Columbus, Ohio, just over 100 miles from where it sat. Abandoned for decades. From a stolen wreck to a multi-million-dollar legal dispute, the car's journey is a testament to how a rare Ferrari can spark decades of controversy, deception, and high-stakes courtroom drama.